Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tracy from thelyfestyleplug.com, your place to get plugged into the latest trends in fashion, beauty, lifestyle. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker collection. It's brand new to me. I don't know how brand new it'll be by the time I get this up, but this all started because I was looking for like a really great rich orange color eyeshadow, and I actually used the Off Tropic Mix palette and was thoroughly disappointed. So if you were thinking about picking that up at the drugstore for 20 bucks, totally not worth it. Don't do it. I was watching YouTube one day. I saw Jeffree Star's video where he was introducing his latest collection, and I fell in love with this beautiful orange color in the Mini Breaker palette, which I will show you guys in a minute. And I was curious. His swatches looked excellent. Like, they looked like the product was super pigmented, super easy to blend, super easy to work with, and I'm not that great at blending. If you want to know how I felt about the Mini Breaker palette from Jeffree Star, then please keep watching. Got some wine. So my eyebrows are already done. So I'm really excited because I just got this little bad boy in the mail. I'm so excited. Look how cute it is! Quick fact, the movie Jawbreaker used to be my shit back in the day. It's so cute. I love it. Let's open it. Oh my god. How beautiful is that? I'm so excited to use this. I don't really dabble in color too much normally, so I'm excited. I think I'm going to use this color here. This is the reason I bought this palette. I saw this color and I died. I had to have it. I'm also going to go into this one as a topper, and probably this one just to smoke things out. I'm probably going to go into my white chocolate bar palette from Too Faced to use this color right here, which is Cake Batter. I use that one for my transition all the time because I love it. Oh, this is so cute. I don't even want to throw any of this away. This is like too cute. I think I'm just going to put the palette back in here when I'm done with it today, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's so cute. It has this logo on it, and I love like neon green. I love neon colors. I love how it looks on my skin. So I kind of want to, I'm not going to keep it. I need to stop being a hoarder. So today I'm going to use my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I love this one. So good. Really does a good job of blurring out your pores. So I like to focus it on my nose and like my cheeks, like right around here. Center of my forehead, you know. I'm going to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. Is that clear? This is in the shade Golden. So, I'm going to go in with this. And I know you guys are probably going to be like, oh my god, that's so dark for you. But guess what? My face and my neck are a lot lighter than the rest of my body. Like, if I color matched everything to like my body and my shoulders, this is how it would be. Like this color. Which is what I did because I'm tired of like always going to Sephora and stuff and asking for them to color match me. And every time they do, I look like a ghost. Because they match my neck, which doesn't look that white right now, but it's so much whiter than like my shoulder. Dive into that white chocolate palette and just place my transitions. So next, I'm gonna dive in finally to this palette. I'm gonna use this color right here. Double scoop. I'm gonna dip into, oh my god, it's so pigmented. Look at that. You guys are probably like, what is good with that orange? That is too much. But once I tie everything together, you'll understand. It'll all make sense. Wow, Jeffree Star. You are that bitch. Okay. So I'm gonna go into Hot Fudge. Don't judge me, guys. I know this is gonna be kind of ghetto, but I'm gonna go in with a shield because, or something to shield me, because I don't want my makeup to be a mess today. Okay, now I'm gonna dip into this beautiful color right here. Slice. Yeah, Slice. Okay, I'm gonna dip into that and just, oh my gosh, I'm gonna highlight my eye. I'm just gonna place it in the center, get like a little highlight in the center. I'm gonna use ColourPop. It's the No Filter Concealer in medium 20. As you guys can see, I use it a lot. I'm actually thinking about doing a full face of ColourPop makeup tutorial because I just love their makeup so much and I use it a lot. Rimmel Natural Bronzer. I've had this one forever. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. I've had it for a minute. And what I like to do with this kind of brush is just draw my line and sweep it up. So, see, it looked kind of crazy from that angle, but it's not. What am I doing? Okay, let me keep bronzing up the skin because I didn't do my forehead or... So then I like to go in like a fluffy brush and then just bronze up as opposed to just contouring. So I like to place my contour. Sometimes I use bronzer, sometimes I use actual contour, but today I'm using bronzer because I just want to glow a lot. So I just like to place it with that skinny brush, just like cut, like just define with the skinny brush, and then I like to go over with a fluffy brush just to warm up my skin. Okay. I just like to lightly contour my nose, nothing crazy. I'm using the same bronzer that I used to contour my face. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. It's cheap and it's really good. But anyways, I like to use highlight before I apply my blush. Just because I feel like once you place the highlight and then you add the blush in, it mixes everything together. It blends everything out. I don't like doing highlight after blush because then I feel like it's just like a line. But like now when I buff my blush over it, then I will just smooth and blend everything out, blend everything all together. So I think that's enough. Put a little down the center of my nose, from the tip of my nose, Cupid's bow. So I'm gonna go back into the Mini Breaker palette with a pencil brush to finish up my look. Yeah, so I'm gonna take Hot Fudge again, right there, and I'm gonna apply it on my So you guys know that the whole premise of my blog, the reason that I'm doing everything that I'm doing, is to share like when I find good deals or products that I really like or whatever. Because if you know me in real life, then you can attest to this, but like when I find something I love, like I do not leave my loved ones alone until they've tried it too. Like they probably get so annoyed by me. But it's true, because when I find something I love, like I just want the people I love to, like I just want to put them on, you know? I'm gonna try to put some of this orange underneath and buff it in with the Hot Fudge. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. I love this mascara. Anyways, today I am going in with my Lilly lashes. This is the style, I think this is Goddess. It doesn't say on here. Yeah, it's Goddess. Okay. It does say it, but it says it really, really small. So I'm going in with Goddess. So I'm going to apply my Goddess lashes. I have a hard time with lashes. I'm getting better at them, but I have a really, really hard time putting them on. And I don't particularly like mink lashes because they scratch the insides of my eyes like all day long, and I hate it. But I'm going to try this for you guys. I'm going to apply these off camera so I can save some battery life. And once I've applied them, I'll be right back. I'm going to go with this lippy pencil from ColourPop. And this is the color I was talking about earlier. It's BFF3. So I'm just going to apply this and some gloss on top. And then I'm going to do my hair again off camera. And then I'll be back to give you guys my final thoughts on the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. I'm going to top it with my Laritzi Cosmetics Gloss in Vibe. And it really is a vibe. I love this shit. Okay guys, so here's my finished look with the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. And like I was saying a little earlier, I just kind of want to do this not so much as a tutorial, but as more of a review, because you know that's what we do here at the Lifestyle Plug. You know, whenever I find a really great product, I just want to be able to share it with you guys and, you know, put you on, let you know that it's dope. So either you know to spend your money on it, or you know to save your money and not buy it. So I think I'm gonna call these little segments utter fraud. Because I actually posted that on my Instagram one day when I was talking about StockX. And I'm not saying I coined the term, but I'm just saying I haven't heard anyone else use it before. I'm sure someone has, so don't come for me if you know someone who has done that. But I didn't get it from anywhere. I just wanted two F words because I wanted to use the word FAB. and then fraud. So yeah, so that's how it worked out, but I think I'm gonna call these little segments fab or fraud. So for my first fab or fraud segment, I'm gonna give this product a fab, a thumbs up. I love the Jeffree Star palette. I thought it was so pigmented, so easy to work with, so easy to blend, and I'm not a very good blender, but let's get a close up. My shadow actually came out pretty nice. Like, I'm impressed with it. It came out like super blendy. I don't know. I know blendy's not a word, but that's what I'm gonna say. It came out very blended, and I'm very happy with it. Super pigmented. I'm curious to see how it holds up through the night because for some reason makeup just likes to fade off of my face. So I'm gonna, I guess, take a picture at the end of the night or just kind of come back and let you guys know how it holds up. It's like 90 degrees. It's been raining and I'm in Miami, so not a good mix for makeup. I wouldn't be surprised if all of this makeup is totally gone by the time I'm out of the house for like an hour, or maybe even by the time I get myself into the car. So we will see how this look holds up. We will see how the shadow holds up. I know that will be a big component of whether you guys want to buy it or not, but overall I want to say that I'm very pleased with it. I was looking for an orange shadow, and this shadow definitely did not disappoint. By the way guys, today's secret emoji is right up there. Do me a favor, go to the comment section down below and comment this emoji for a chance to get a shout out in my next video. If you guys like this video, please do me the biggest favor. I need you guys to do me 4 small favors, all free, all super quick, not going to take you a lot of time. Please do me a favor and like this video, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Then do me my 3rd favor and hit that bell notification so you guys can get notified every time I post some new content. Then my last favor, my very last favor, share this if you can with your friends, family, on Facebook, wherever you want to. Also, feel free to connect with me on all of my social media platforms. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye!